Imagine if you could prevent a catastrophic industrial accident with the push of a button. That's exactly what Safety Instrumented Systems, SIS, do every day in thousands of facilities worldwide, often without anyone noticing. Organizations face tremendous risks when safety systems are improperly designed or maintained. Many facilities operate with outdated safety systems or lack proper safety validation procedures, putting both assets and lives at risk. Compliance violations and insurance concerns create additional pressure on management. Safety engineers and technicians often feel the weight of responsibility without adequate knowledge to back their decisions. They struggle with risk assessments, safety lifecycle management, and maintaining system integrity, leading to stress and uncertainty in critical situations. This certification course provides comprehensive training in SIS design, implementation, and management. From risk assessment to safety lifecycle management, participants learn to ensure process safety using the latest standards and best practices. Companies report enhanced safety performance and reduced insurance premiums after implementing the knowledge gained from this course. Regulatory audits become straightforward, and safety documentation improves significantly. The systematic approach learned helps organizations maintain safety integrity throughout system lifecycle. Professionals completing this certification become confident in managing safety systems and making critical decisions. They develop the expertise to lead safety projects and often become valued safety consultants within their organizations. Don't compromise on safety. Join industry leaders who prioritize process safety through professional certification. Enroll now to become a certified safety systems professional, because when it comes to safety, expertise isn't optional, it's essential.